Hello friends, Namaste. My name is Archana Krishnamurthy and I am the founder director of Conscious Living Center. We organize a lot of programs for people of all age groups to help them live a conscious life. Basically, a conscious life is a happy life, and also it means living a life the way we are meant to live. That means somebody who is aware of not just who we are, but also knows what is the gift that we are born with, what is the purpose for which we are born, and we are able to utilize that and live our life in that direction, contributing the way we are meant to contribute to this world. Today I am here to talk to all of you about a certificate course that we have launched on Conscious Facilitation. It is for the educators, for the teaching fraternity, and is a course, I promise you friends, has never ever been introduced in the education ecosystem so far. It is an absolute need of the hour, and I urge all of you who are already in the teaching fraternity, or those of you who are exploring becoming a part of this teaching fraternity, to make use of this program. This program will first of all help you understand yourself, understand your potential, equip you with the skills that you need to have to perform according to your potential. A teacher, you will agree with me, is no less than a leader who has immense amount of impact and influence on the society. Students, of course, look up to you to be their teacher, their facilitator, their guide, their mentor, their counselor, their coach. The institution that you work with expects you to be an administrator, a manager, a coordinator, a leader. And the parents expect you to be a co-parent for their child. Now that's a lot, isn't it? So just doing a B.Ed or M.Ed program is not going to equip you with all of this. It does give you a certain amount of know-how to kickstart your profession. You do learn a lot hands-on while you are at it. But like any other profession, you need to really continue your journey of learning and growing. There's some amount of FDP that your institution offers you, and that's great. But again, I would urge all of you to become leaders of your own life and not just depend on what is being provided to you by others, but look out for what it is that you need to live your life to the best and make your best contribution in whatever you do. I can only tell you that if you come and join this course, you will not regret it. Whether you are a play school teacher, a kindergarten teacher, a school teacher, a college teacher, a university professor, or a vice chancellor. That's my guarantee. So give it a chance. If you are heading an institution, you can look at nominating some of your top class teachers for this program. And if you think this is something that obviously makes sense to actually offer it to all your faculty members or to a large number of faculty members that you have, we can even think of doing an in-house program with joint certification. So please contact me at the phone number that I'm providing in the description of this video below if you want to do an in-house program or you would like to register some of your faculty members. For registering, actually the process is simple. I'm giving a link below that you can click on and register yourself. There are 6 modules that you will go through the 6 months of the course. That will change your life forever and for the better, for sure. These 6 modules, we are trying to deliver it in the way that every month you have to dedicate 1 day and in an interactive workshop. And other than that, we will have 2 group coaching calls in the following 2 weeks after the workshop to help you understand the insights that you're having and adapt it in your life for your benefit. So it takes you from becoming self-aware to learning how to manage and equip yourself with skill sets, upskilling yourself, and becoming a leader in the profession that you are. You're already doing great. We want you to be awesome because that's what you're meant to be. Help us help you. Thank you, friends, for listening to me. And if you want to join in, if you want to know more details, if you want to talk to me, you have the number below. If you just want to register, do that fast because you are getting a special discount as such as part of our contribution towards this great cause. We are offering the entire course with interactive workshops, the course material, the coaching calls, everything to you for just 6,000 rupees, which is like 1,000 rupees per month per person. On top of that, as if this is not enough, we have announced a 20% discount on first 100 registrations that we get. So that actually makes it just 4,800 rupees for you all inclusive. It can't get better than this, can it? So please don't lose out any time. Immediately register yourself. If you need a couple of months to start your program, you can choose the month from which you would like to start the program. That choice is available in the registration form. For anything else, I'm available. Call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much. Hope to see some of you at the next session starting in October. Namaste. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe.